come today in front of me OPPO A1K, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and right there on the notification panel you will see the flashlight icon or torch icon. And now just to activate the flashlight, tap here once on the icon, and that will be in orange color. And as can you see, we just activated our flashlight. And now just if you want to turn it off, tap here again on the torch icon, and that's it. So that's really simple, as can you see. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.